How to change your name in Kling AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to change your name in Kling AI, first of all, launch the Kling AI app open and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right or where it says My Space. Go ahead and tap on it and go to the top right section and tap the gear icon. From here, you'll see your profile settings. Simply tap on your current name, erase your current name, and write down a new one. So after you do that, click on Save at the top right, and your name has been changed. So there you have it. That's how you easily change your name in Kling AI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.